Hello Primary 5, how are you today? Let's start our math lesson for today, which is area of a square in terms of its diagonal length. Of course, we studied before area of a square in primary 4, but it was in terms of its square length, its side length, sorry. Here I have the diagonal length. What is the diagonal? As you see, this green line segment is represent the diagonal, and the square has two equal diagonals. Let's remember together the old rule to get the area of a square. Area of a square in terms of its side length equal side length by itself. Side by side, S by S. Of course you remember it. Okay. To get the side length of the square, when you have the area, side which is S equal square root of A, square root of the area. You can use a calculator to get the answer. Okay. Here we have another rule, area of a square in terms of its diagonal length. It's our new rule for primary 5. What is the rule now? Area of a square in terms of its diagonal equal half by diagonal length by diagonal length. Half by D by D. Again, area of a square in terms of its diagonal length is half by diagonal by diagonal. And this is important also if you have the area and you wanna get the diagonal length, diagonal D equal square root of 2 multiply area. This is rules. And we have another rule here. The perimeter of a square equal side length by 4. You know it. But if you have the side length and you wanna get the perimeter, you will make perimeter equal side by 4. Okay, but if I have the perimeter and I wanna get the side length will be perimeter over 4. Perimeter divided by 4. Question 1, complete. The area of a square whose side length is 8 centimeter equal what? Squared centimeter. Okay, he asked me to get the area of a square. I have two rules to get the area. The first one in terms of side length, second one in terms of diagonal length. Here I have the side length, so I use the old rule which states area equal side by side, 8 by 8. 8 by 8, which is 64 squared centimeter. Question B. The area of the square whose diagonal length is 10 centimeter will be what? Okay, my rule states that area equal half by diagonal by diagonal. Half by 10 by 10. Or you can write it half as a fraction or as a decimal, as you prefer. As a fraction 1 over 2, as a decimal 0.5. Both represent half. Okay, now half by 10 by 10, you can use your calculator or your mind as you prefer. The answer will be 50 squared centimeter. Okay, question 2. The diagonal of a square is 10 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, I write the rule. Area equal half by diagonal, which is half by 10 by 10. We just solved it 1 minute ago or less, which is 50 squared centimeter. Question 3. The perimeter of a square is 36 centimeter. Find its area. Okay, the question here is about area. I have two rules. The first one will give me the area when I have the side length. Second one will give me the area when I have the diagonal length. But here I have the perimeter. Unfortunately, I don't have any rule can't give me the area when I have the perimeter. So I must get the side length firstly. How to get the side length? Side length equal perimeter divided by 4. Of course you know it, which is 36 over 4 equal 9 centimeter. I have now side length. I can get the perimeter. I can get the area, of course. Area equals side length by itself, which be 9 by 9. 9 by 9, 81 squared centimeter. Thank you for listening. See you soon. Goodbye.